If you love Asian flavors, here are 5 essential sauces that'll spice up your meals. Hey Busy Bees, it's Zong, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 sauces ranging from Korean, Vietnamese, Thai, Chinese, Japanese, all of your favorite Asian flavors into different sauces that you can use for basically anything. Meat marinades, dressings for your salads, or just a simple sauce to dip. So let's get started with our first sauce marinade, which is the Korean Gochujang bibimbap sauce. So I have everything laid out here, and into my bowl, I'm gonna add 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of gochujang, which is this spicy fermented pepper paste that's super popular in Korean cuisine. And finally, 2 tablespoons of honey. And now we'll give it a mix. The gochujang sauce can be a little bit tough to break down, so just be sure to kind of mash it a little bit so that it can become a smooth paste with the rest of the liquid. You'll get something semi-thick like this. Just like the perfect sauce. This sauce will be so great with the rice bowl, which I'm gonna make later, so stay tuned till the end to see how I use all of the sauces. And that's all there is to our first sauce, which is the gochujang bibimbap sauce. It's spicy, tangy, a little bit sweet, perfect. This next one is a Thai Vietnamese inspired sauce using tamarind. All right, so in my bowl, I'm gonna add half a lime's juice, and then I have 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. This tamarind paste is made from a fruit in Southeast Asia, and it's usually dried before it's used. It's sweet, tangy, full of flavor. It's usually paired with green papaya, fish, but really works well as a vinaigrette too. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 clove of minced garlic, and a 1/4 cup of neutral oil. I'm using avocado oil here. Now just give it a good mix. This sauce is really great as a dipping sauce for your spring rolls or even your meat, but I personally love using it kind of as a dressing for my noodle salads, which I'm also gonna be making later, so stay tuned. If you like balsamic vinaigrette, you'll love this one. This next one is an Indian-inspired curry vinaigrette. It has a nice zing to it, but it's really interesting when paired with chicken or even on a salad. So we'll start with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce just to give it a little bit of saltiness, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard to emulsify our vinaigrette, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 garlic clove finely minced, and about 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Give it a good mix. This is a good one. Ooh, it would make the perfect marinade, but if you want it a little bit creamier for your salad dressing, I would add some yogurt. So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how I use each of the sauces. For the chicken, I marinated it with our curry dressing. And then for our noodle salad here, I'm just gonna dress it up with our tamarind vinaigrette. This is gonna be kind of a substitute for your typical fish sauce, but with a little bit of an interesting tang. All right, let's give it a try. The curry on the chicken is just perfectly seasoned. You can really taste the curry flavor in there, and it pairs super well with the tamarind vinaigrette. Wow. If you're looking for new Asian flavors, I totally recommend trying this out. This next sauce is Japanese inspired, flavored with miso. So this one will start with the main ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of miso. I'm using a white, low sodium miso paste here. And then I have 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar just to give it some tang, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of honey to balance it out, 1 clove of minced garlic, and a 1/4 cup of neutral oil. So just like our gochujang paste earlier, you want to break up the miso paste so it can whisk up nice and smooth. For this sauce, you know when it's done when it emulsifies fully and becomes like a thick, creamy sauce like this. It's just like the salad dressings you find at the sushi restaurants. It's so nutty and kind of tangy. This sauce would also be a great marinade for meat. I recommend beef here. This one is a basic all-around Asian sauce that could typically be found in Chinese cuisine. It's a soy garlic ginger sauce. So in a bowl, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, and finally 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Give it a good mix. Now, if you guys wanted to add a little bit of a spicy kick to it, I recommend adding some chili garlic sauce because that would add a lot of flavor to this, but I'm keeping it kid friendly, so I'm just making it neutral. Super familiar, and this would really go well with fish, meat stir fries, or if you wanted to, as a salad dressing. So the reason why I added oil in all of these sauces is because I want to make it versatile to be used as a dressing or as a marinade, because typically that clings better to your food. So we just finished assembling all our sauces, and I thought it would be fun to show you how I use 2 more. So we have this rice bowl, and I marinated my meat stick in the soy garlic ginger sauce. And then to dress it up, I'm gonna pour over a little bit of the gochujang sauce. All right, let's give our meat stick a try. It's full of soy sauce flavor. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, perfectly balanced with the ginger in there too. All right, now let's give our rice a try. Just like a bibimbap bowl. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these sauces and let me know what you end up making with them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!